Now it's time to take a field trip on Noggin.
Chugga, 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 chugga. I can feel it in my feet. A chugga, 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 chugga. It's a boogie, it's a beat. A chugga, 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 chugga. It's nifty and it's neat. Like the beat of a heart or a pat of the rain. It's kind of like that, but it isn't the same. It's something so special I just can't explain. There's simply no sound like the chug of a train. A chugga, 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 chugga. Can you hear it chug along? A chugga, 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 chugga. The beginning of a song. A chugga, 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 chugga. And now it's growing strong. Like the feet of a horse on a cobblestone lane. It's kind of like that, but it's not quite the same. It isn't a car and it isn't a plane. There's simply no sound like the sound of a train.
Oh my, you like the chugga chugga, and I like the choo choo. Watch me wiggle when the whistle blows.
Choo choo choo.
Such a special feeling no one knows.
Choo choo choo.
I feel it from my head down to my toes.
Choo choo choo.
Loud and clear, it's in my ear to let me know the train is near. I love it when the wheels begin to sing.
Choo choo choo.
And then all the rails begin to ring.
Choo choo choo.
Me and all my friends, we start to swing.
Choo choo choo.
Can you hear it? Sounds so dear. The whistle blows, the train is here. Watch me wiggle when the whistle blows. Such a special feeling no one knows.
It's a beat.
I feel it from my head down to my toes.
Like the beat of a heart or a pat of the rain. It's kind of like that, but it isn't the same. It's something so special I just can't explain. There's simply no sound like the chug of a train.
I love it when the wheels begin to
Hear
sing.
it chug along.
And then all the rails begin to ring.
Of a song.
Me and all my friends, we start to
swing. Now it's growing strong. Like the feet of a horse on a cobblestone lane. It's kind of like that, but it's not quite the same. It isn't a car and it isn't a plane. There's simply no sound like the sound of a train.
Wow, that was beautiful music you both just made. Wait a minute, that's it. Music. The train is starting to move. Quick, everyone, get on.
It's true.